Hey guys, today I'm really excited to share this DIY all natural homemade shampoo. I have been using Viori for 6 months now and my hair grew really long. But to strengthen my hair even more and to prevent graying, it's time for me to move on all natural homemade shampoo. This gentle shampoo will prevent hair fall and leave your hair really soft and shiny. This DIY shampoo has been used in India for centuries. As a kid growing up, we did not use store-bought shampoo, instead used this, and my hair used to love it. I have decided to go back to my roots and use this shampoo because it's absolutely incredible. Believe me, if it worked for centuries and my hair was amazing growing up using this shampoo, it's perfect thing to add into your hair care routine. To make this shampoo, you will need some Reetha Shikakai pods, amla, and 1 or 2 tablespoons of rice. Let's see the benefits of our key ingredients. So this is amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, and this is Reetha, and this is how the Shikakai pods look like. And amla, it's also known as Indian gooseberry. It's a miracle fruit for hair. It's so rich in vitamin C. Amla promotes healthier hair. It helps strengthen hair follicles and reduce hair thinning. And it also said it prevents premature graying. And this is the Shikakai pods. And this has the saponins to cleanse hair. It makes hair soft and shiny and prevents itchy and dry scalp, and also acts as conditioner to detangle hair, also delays graying. And our next top ingredient is Rita, and this is soap net, which you might find as a natural laundry detergent, but for me growing up this was my shampoo. They have natural cleansing properties and are antibacterial and antifungal. They are very gentle way to wash your hair without stripping natural oil. I'm taking around 7 Rita and maybe around 3 Shikakai pods and also some amla berries. So this is how the amla berries look up close. You might have to adjust the proportions based on your hair, so just play with it to find the best proportion that works best for your hair type. So around 7 Rita and maybe like 5 or 6 of amla and some Shikakai pods. And here I'm also taking rice because of its amazing properties for hair growth and hair strengthening properties. We're going to use not the rice but just the rice water to make this shampoo. And to make this shampoo, place all your ingredients into a bowl and add water and rinse thoroughly with just plain water. And this is how it looks after rinsing. And then add some filtered water and let it sit overnight. This is how all the ingredients look with water, and we're going to let it sit for at least 8 hours or so. And I took around 7 Rita and 3 Shikakai pods. And this is how it looks next morning. And this smells just like my childhood. Such good memories that I could recollect using this shampoo. And these are like very soft and already foaming. But we are going to bring it into a bowl and then boil it to make Rita even more softer. And transfer the herbs into a pot, but you could discard the rice and then bring this into a bowl and then boil it. Once came to a rolling boil, turn down the heat and simmer for around 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, turn down the heat completely and then let it cool. So this is how it looks, the final product, that is our water. Once I strained, filter the herbs and use this water. And one more thing is, do not discard the herbs. If you are not satisfied by the foam and still feels your hair is greasy, add some cold water into these herbs and massage herbs really well with your hands and use this water after filtering, and repeat this process until you feel your hair is squeaky clean. You could use the same herbs by just adding some water and massaging the herbs. And here you could see me, I'm trying to cleanse my hair using this shampoo, just like normal shampoo, how you apply it. I'm taking this, just the water, and then massaging my scalp, and then once you're satisfied massaging this into your scalp, and then you could apply the remaining water, and then however you shampoo your hair the same way you could rinse the length of your hair. And if you could see, I actually, my hair is really greasy, and then I actually oiled my hair the night before, and it's really greasy. And this is my hair looking after I washed my hair with this shampoo. It's really clean. If you see like up close, this is not like very oily or greasy. It did its job really well, and then most of the grease is gone, but still my hair is really soft and more shinier and not greasier. And I really love this shampoo, so give this one a shot. You might really love the results. And I'm also going to leave the link for the products that I brought from Amazon in the description below, so do check that out. Well, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Hopefully you had fun. See you next time in my next video. Bye.